Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text align and CSS text direction. Right now we'll be discussing about the CSS text align last. Previously in our previous tutorial, we discussed about the CSS text align, but we discussed about the CSS text align right, text align left, text align center, and also we discussed about the CSS text align justify. The CSS text align justify is the one we did last that did our document like this. So right now we want to start talking about the CSS text align last. How can we use it and how can you know the effect? How can you feel it? How can you understand how it works? To know how it works, you are going to be studying the way this you are going to be suspecting this thing. This is the last text we are having in our document right here. So if you notice in our previous one when I talked about the text align justify, I said the last text right here is not justified, and also the last text right here, the space is not as big as all this first one, second one, and third one. So definitely just to control this last text, also just to make it, maybe we want to shift it right or left, or make it justify or whatsoever we can do with it. So that's why we want to do this. So we just want to control this itself personally, because this one now, all this one we have been able to do it with our text justify only, but we are going to be using our text align last property to control this one. So that's what we are going to be doing in the next tutorial. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much.